If you're a photographer or videographer, you already know the struggle is real. Managing a massive amount of files, backing up all your projects, and of course, keeping them all safe. Today, we're going to check out the GlYPH Blackbox Pro storage solution for content creators. The question is this the storage solution for you? Let's find out. Now, before we get started, they did reach out to me asking my interest to test out this hard drive. Of course, obviously, I said yes, because I'm always looking for ways to better improve my storage capacity and ability to be able to create content on the go. So I do want to let you know they did not pay me or persuade me to say anything specific about the hard drive, but I am here to give you my honest opinion. I do want to say thank you to GlYPH for sending this out to me so that I can share with you my honest opinion about this hard drive and whether this should be added to your creative workflow. First thing I was impressed with when I pulled the hard drive out of the box was its construction quality. First of all, it has an aluminum enclosure with a silicone rubber for added protection for stuffing it in my camera bag or my laptop bag, but most importantly for me being able to travel. Ironically, right before GlYPH reached out to me, I was looking for a storage solution that I can store a massive amount of data, right? Because I want to record more video, at least in 4K, sometimes 6K, but also my photography, and be able to reliably store it and access it while on the go. So this was kind of a perfect timing. Immediately, I felt that much more safer to be able to store my valuable media while on the go before I get home and back it up again with a hard drive like this. This hard drive was literally already set up for me to be able to use the USB-C plug that comes with it, put it into my MacBook Pro, and I was ready to start storing files already. I really like that. So that was something that really stuck out to me. It's pretty much plug and play. Okay, now let's talk speed. The GlYPH Blackbox Pro features a 7200 RPM enterprise hard drive inside. So that's going to allow you to be able to handle and transfer large files with ease. What's great about this hard drive is that it handles transfer speeds up to 260 megabits a second. So that means your raw digital files, definitely your JPEGs, and your larger format of video, meaning 4K, 6K, and now 8K video, you're going to be able to transfer those without a problem. Okay, now we all know numbers are just numbers. Let's talk about real case scenario. Now recently I've been using this hard drive to store all of my Lightroom catalogs, high resolution images, and ironically this year a hell of a lot of video. I've been doing a lot more video than photography lately, and this hard drive has been clutch for me in my workflow. Everything's been working really easily in terms of transferring all the files, but most importantly being able to read the files off of this hard drive. I brought it to a local cafe that I like getting work done at, and I haven't had any lag issues or any failure or anything else like that so far. And having the ability to have a large capacity external hard drive on the go has been clutch for me, because my projects file sizes have only gotten larger and larger as time has gone on. Now, the Blackbox Pro that I'm featuring in this video is a 20 terabyte hard drive. That's right, 20 terabyte, but they offer capacities up to 24 terabytes. Now, of course, you may not need all of that, but for me, you can never have enough space. And I'm just showing you that GlYPH does offer that. They do offer hard drives down as low as 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes. They have external hard drives that are portable, solid state drives, etc. They have a lot of great rugged solutions for those creators on the go. That means you're going to be able to have a safe storage solution while on the move. Okay, let me talk about a few things on what makes this hard drive stand out compared to the previous hard drives that I've used in the past. First is the enterprise class hard drives. That means I'm going to be able to quickly transfer my files from my camera, SD cards, etc., or even from my laptop to the hard drive without an issue. Second is the fast and future proofing of the system. With USB-C connectivity, it means I can seamlessly connect to any modern Apple MacBook Pro, PC, or any other device very easily. Third is the fanless cooling. This means I'm going to be able to run this hard drive all day quietly and never skipping a creative beat. Of course, no product is perfect. Let's talk about some things that you should consider. Number one is the obvious. It's a desktop hard drive. Therefore, it's not as portable as some of their portable SSD drives that they do offer, but the capacity makes up for it. But that is a consideration. It's not as compact as some folks may like for a more external hard drive. Second thing, it's a hard drive. It's not a solid state drive. Therefore, you're relying on a rotating disk versus a solid piece of circuitry. Therefore, the transfer speed may not be as fast as an SSD drive. So that is something to consider. For me, that's not a deal breaker per se, because with hard drives, they tend to be less expensive pound for pound, terabyte for terabyte, compared to a solid state. For those who are looking for larger capacity, and not breaking the bank, this is an excellent way and a safer way to store your data. Overall, the GlYPH Blackbox Pro is a fantastic option for any video or photo content creator looking for reliable, rugged storage for their massive amount of files that you already know is only going to get bigger by the year. Me personally, I'm really happy to have added this to my creative workflow because despite its size, for what it delivers in capacity and the rugged durability of the construction of this hard drive, I actually bring this with me to my local cafe a lot of the time, and I plan on bringing it with me on my trips. And that since I have a 20 terabyte one means I can record 6K video with ease without worrying about do I have enough space when I get back to my hotel to store all this video footage. This is something that has helped me out, and I'm telling you, at one time I didn't think I needed that amount of space, as well as something that's rugged and durable, until I did. And guess what? I'm well past that now. I'm glad to have added this. I'm going to, of course, leave a link in the description section for you to check out the GlYPH Blackbox Pro for yourself. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you already know, post them down below. And if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and you already know, hit the bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.